Hello there, welcome to the Gist on Plug TV Live. On the Gist today, Bobrisky's ex-PA Oye has been reported dead after fighting COVID-19. Let's check out the details. An Instagram user claiming to be Bobrisky's former PA's friend, Modella Blessing, has posted on Instagram encrypted messages suggesting that Bobrisky's ex-PA might have lost the battle to COVID-19. Although the story is not yet clear, but the post made by Modella Blessing has got a lot of people worried on Instagram. In her first post on Instagram, Modella Blessing wrote, "Oye, you can't do this to me. Just wake up and tell me it is a lie, my one and only best friend. Life is unfair." However, after so many people accused her of telling a lie, she later edited the post saying, "Oye, you can't do this to me. Just wake up and tell me you are fine. My one and only best friend, you will survive." The first post on her page was accompanied by an Instagram story that says, "Oye, please just wake up. You promised me forever." About 6 days ago, Oye herself had posted announcing that she had tested positive for COVID-19 with a caption that says, "Pray for me." The main post says, "Good afternoon, guys. Unfortunately, I've tested positive for the coronavirus. Yesterday, after taking the vaccine, I felt severely ill, and the following morning, I was rushed to the hospital where they broke the news that I was infected with the virus. I'm completely heartbroken, and my whole family and I are shocked and disgusted. It's essential for me to take care of myself and rid myself from the virus, so I'm coming off social media for a while. I don't know how long, but I need to be away for my health. Thank you all, Oye." While it is not clear what the situation is with Oye, Modella Blessing has continued to receive a lot of backlash from people who are not sure what she meant by her initial post. When the backlash became continuous, Modella Blessing returned to say, "Please, I didn't pronounce her dead. What all this about clout chasing? Clout I didn't chase when she was trending with bob issues or tattoos. Na in I go dey use life and death matter chase. I can't express myself on my page anymore." Hours after her initial post, she returned to say, "She isn't dead, she is in coma. I wrote wake up because she's not been responding for hours. You guys should stop already. You're taking everything for clout chasing." Definitely sound like a bit of relief right now, while prayers have been sent up, hoping that Oye would pull through this battle with COVID-19. Guys, this is the real story. Let us know what you think about it in the comment section. Remember to like and subscribe to Plug TV Live before you go.